Hi, my name is Daniel Watchery. I've been here at CDN for almost 7 years now. I'm considered a metal fabricator here. Pretty much that involves, could be water jetting parts, forming parts, or even welding parts throughout the day. One thing I do enjoy is in the morning, get in, find out there's a part that we gotta make. So it could be start from platform, we gotta cut it, form it, weld it, and then paint it, and sometimes shipping same day. When I first started, it was kind of a new thing getting in this field and understanding how even water jetting and all that works. So in the beginning, had to follow around, kind of get mentored by some higher ups, and over the years, it's turned into a better experience. Benefits of working here at CDN is you kind of learn different things every day and get to see different kind of parts coming through. Favorite thing about CDN is the kind of family environment that it has here. Everyone's very close and everyone knows everyone closely.